Profesa Abraham Kithure Kindiki na ukuu wa miaka 52 Niwe Munini wa Katatu wa President NaWakeeli Uungu wa Silikali ya Kenya Kwanza.Savali Yake ya Uteti Yambiiyie mwaka wa 2013 ta Seneta wa Tharaka Nithi Itina wa Myaka Kauta Yake Masomo ma Wokili. Kindiki nthini wa matambia make onthe ma Uteti yethietwe vakuvi muno na President William Ruto mavindani momo na mavindani ma utani vakuvi miaka 20 oyu Benjamin Myaka ena mauvombe yange.
Profesa Abraham Kithure Kindiki Savali Yake kuma Tharaka Nithi vau Itinani yeto district ya Meru yeselile lenana school na Itina imanisioni Kauta siayo lukusomea Wokili wala mwana wake uthukumini uwe umilie nesa kavindani ke kwani ya sieko sia uwani kotini mnena wa nthio wa ICC kuambia mwaka wa 2010 ivindani Wokili wa Dr. William Ruto ivindani yu munini wa president.
It is very, very dangerous to politicize justice, where the justice and the legal system is used to play politics. And that is why we are saying we feel there are certain rights which the Honorable Ruto is entitled to under the Rome Statute.
Kindiki honuyo vondi nonvani wa mwaka wa 2013 Uungu wa katiba impya no anyuviweta Seneta wambe wa kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi vula watuikithiwe ndongo yala inge nthino wa Senate na Itina nyuva ingi kwa tamu wake lunivanino mwaka wa 2011 na kwa ambacho ndeve ngina munini wa speaker nthino wa mbunge ya Senate na kumanwa na iwathukanyo siake utongoi Katatu wa President unathio mwewe ya Uhuru Kenyatta na munini wake Dr. William Ruto ivindani liu tamuni wa usumbe nthino wa Silikali ya Jubilee. Kindiki vamwe na anyanya angimava kuve Maruto mbunge neseleni mavenue miana iyo ya utongoi.
They wrongly diagonized that I could be manipulated, cajoled, or even threatened to join them in what, in my view, is a treasonable project of destroying our beloved country.
Uteti unavitie kula nene siya mwaka wa 2020 Kindiki ndao kitia mwana ona umwaki uteti ati wa listini ya muthia ndweli halame kwa jaiwa kunyuwa ni President William Ruto kutuika munini wake wana ivindani yu muvalukila hola munini wa President Gachagua na kutia Kindiki atena wekwa ateo kuikwa ache Silikali ya Kenya Kwanza esinde usumbe.
My colleagues, I am truly grateful, and I know God willing we will have an opportunity for me to make it up to you one day, and that day shall not be too far away.
Ni Itina wa President William Ruto kusinda usumbe vala Profesa Kindiki wolo tule kutuika minister wa sasa iwandhini mwana ulo na uthukumie Savali ile Itina wanzama minister kuvunzwa na Silikali impya broad-based kusevwa edhito mustali nwambe kukutana ingendile na imamai pamwana iutanisia maandamano ma ulei undumwe na alama oyumetuke mamwenu wa dhandatu mamwika wa Gen Z alama ataelemilie Silikali uvikia mutatalamu utea wake na ndoa mwaka wa 2024 wekwethegani president.
We have seen people pretending to be protesters damaging road infrastructure and other amenities built by the taxes and the sweat of the people of Kenya. I dare you to try that.
Ndani kumanwa na ivathukanyo sia President William Ruto na ulei munini wake Gachagua vala mutatala wa kumunguthula Gachagua kuma utongoi-ini unavitukithiwe ni mbunge sieli President imolota kuisla mbunge Profesa Abraham Kindiki kutuika munini mwa wa President na Itina wasiumo ile sio sili mbatukanuni sia koti kwiyo kochu hau lunu nengani othei Kindiki avithwe nokana kuosa utongoi vala kwi umundi watuika munini wa Katatu ofisini uwa munini wa President na munini wake wa President Uungu wa Silikali ya Kenya Kwanza na kuenea Savali ya miaka mingi, yani Savali ya ivinda ya saya unyanyo wake na muneno wake Dr. William Ruto.
Over the past 2 decades, I have had the privilege to witness Professor Kindiki's work as a professor, litigation lawyer, consulting attorney, senator representing Tharaka Nithi, Majority Leader of the Senate, Deputy Speaker of the Senate, the most recently as Cabinet Secretary. I can confirm that in all these roles, he has demonstrated exceptional dedication, high competence and professionalism and consistently delivered results beyond expectations.
Vilengwa mavo kumava musini lovi janita wa Benjamin na Mwaka.